If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
All right, sorry for the introduction. Now, what if I told you that there's a way that you can trade with very low risk and we trade patterns? What if I'm searching for a pattern and I tell you to trade a pattern like this was Kishu that we trade actually? And then I give you some very quick updates in a very simple place, in one place at all. And these quick updates can help you to trade with me, okay? Whenever I trade, you trade with me. And I use my experience and my best knowledge, which you have been looking at. And you get to do the same with proper money management. And you get more chances of winning, which actually give you more guidance. And you don't have to be worried about your daily routine. It doesn't actually get disturbed. Now all you have to do is just come down to the description of the video, scroll down, go to the signals agreement. You see this video and you agree to the agreement. It's a very simple, very straightforward agreement, nothing big. And then you click on Discord and you join the Discord. Now once you have joined the Discord, all you have to do is go to the announcement tab and click on my name, Adam Coins, and all you do is you can click on message and you message me if you want to join and you're interested. So the entries do close by the end of the month. Not too much time there. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update today. And I'm not going to show you some old videos and what I said in the past. If you've been watching the videos very carefully, by now you should know and understand what I've been saying for a long time. This, ladies and gentlemen, for JASMY is not good. Okay? And I'm always going to say this again, by the end of the month I'm going to close my own private sector that I trade, and I guide a little bit to my members and tell them what to do. So at this point of time, if I have to tell you a very honest opinion, I will not trade JASMY, honestly, because this for me is an alerting situation. But there are conditions, and there will always be conditions when it comes down to trading. It's when the market flip, you flip, and that's what I do best. You see, me, I can expect things to go up, but if they show they don't want to go up, I'm ready to accept that. You know, I don't have ego. Never be egoistic when it comes down to trading, because that's again the psychology of how market really works. Yes, this shows a technical target to 9,000 and 10,000, but unfortunately, before you do that, let's talk about this one support trend line, this second support trend line, and the third support trend line right here. Can't you see you've lost the support line and you have been rejected? As a matter of fact, if I dive into the 4-hour time frame, it's more visible. It's way more visible. So here we are. I don't even think, honestly, I'm not going to trade anything, and I'm not in any trade at the moment. So this is your first support, second support, third support. What happened here? What happened here is you've lost support, and you haven't done a very perfect retest. There could be another chance of making one more small move to 7,000 again and then get rejected. But whether you do it or not, look how bad of a sell-off this is happening at the moment. Okay, you lost the trend line, and I think if we bring in the EMAs as well, then look, you've made a bear cross on a 4-hour time frame. So be very careful. Always pay attention to these small details. They matter a lot. Now on the daily, there's this one area it makes sense to go down to, and I'm going to tell you. So if I bring in the EMAs again, it means that you are trying to lose the 10 and the 20 for the first time ever since I'm going to tell you, this is the first time it's happening ever since December 2022. In 2 months, this is for the first time you're losing the 10 and the 20, or you're about to. And the only place you have finally to go down to is the 55, which is 5,673. And this is where you can have that support. Okay, maybe just cut a little bit lower below it and then finally try to go back up. That's one good thing to say. But however, if you come down and you lose the 55 and you close below the 55, that's going to be a alarming situation. And let me tell you, it's also very important to cross 13,000 to maybe start a very proper move to the upside, maybe to start that proper bull run. It's really important to break above 13,000. I've been through this one with you before. I've told you why and why things think that because it could be a very big issue here, because you still have on a weekly this bearish rectangle there, and then you also have a technical target which was never met at $1,700. It could be just they push it up and then finally they drop it down there, because this can create another very big problem in here. Just momentarily this could have been a relief rally, and then they continue to drop it down, and maybe that could be where we talk about, oh, that was a bull trap and this and that, whatever that happens in the future. I don't know, but that doesn't matter. That's a whole different thing. That's not the focus right now. The focus is you've lost the trend line. Be very careful. And that's it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Hello, office.